don't ever ever color change your Chanel bag. It's hello, I'm back again. I did a video once about this years ago, but it's probably my biggest ever Chanel error. It's a big old fail. I can't stress that enough. But basically I had this bag. It was disgusting and old and dirty, so grubby that it was unusable. So I decided to take a gamble, and you know how you can get Chanel handbags like dyed and color changed? Well, I decided to do that, and I have to be honest, I've used it like a handful of times, like maybe not even 5 times, maybe more like 3, and the rest of the time it's been like in my wardrobe, so it's had a little bit of movement when I've moved it away to get to a bag behind it, because literally that's how little I use it. But I have to say, it's been a huge error, and to be honest, I'm almost glad that I did do it, just so that I would never ever do it again. Yeah, I'm glad that I've done it on a bag that I really didn't wear anyway, and I still don't wear this bag now, but I don't feel like I've wasted the bag. But I do also feel like it was a massive error, because it was disgusting and dirty before, but now it looks disgusting and dirty in another way. So I'm just gonna show you. Like how gross is this? Like how rubbish does it look? Like it used to be that beige, you know, the classic beige Chanel color. I decided to turn it black, and literally anywhere where it gets any kind of wear, any kind of usage, like basically it was that color. I should have just shown you that before. It just shows through, like it just cracked, like literally the color has cracked off. It's happened on the strap, it's happened more on the strap. Like it just looks awful. Like it looks fake, it looks naff, like more here. Like it looks awful. It's just completely rubbed away. And while like the back looks actually not that bad, but it's anywhere that there's movement. I think maybe if it had a chain strap on, it might be marginally better. But oh, look here, you can see this corner is completely just chipped off almost. Like it looks horrible. And honestly, I probably used it like 3 times. It is obviously an authentic bag. It was actually a really good company that did it, but I mean, it just looks bad and it looks off, and the fact that it looks a bit wrong makes me think that it looks fake. And the reason I don't wear it is because I don't think it looks like a Chanel bag that's had its color changed. I think it looks like a Chanel bag that's fake. So I thought I'd show you, don't ever color change your Chanel bag. It's totally not worth it. Get it cleaned, just put it at the back of your wardrobe, clean it, whatever you do, just please don't color change it. It completely like loses its resale value. You won't want to use it because you'll think it looks weird and fake, and like actually it's quite an expensive service as well. Yeah, it's just not worth it. Like I always thought the idea of doing a color change was a really good idea, and actually in reality it's like even here, like it looks awful. Like anywhere that the bag gets impact, anywhere that the leather like moves around, it just doesn't last. And I wanted to share it. Sorry it's a really quick video, but I hope it's of help, and I will see you all very soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Bye.